Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and swatching the new Havana collection from L'Oreal Paris and Camila Cabello. This is a 14-piece limited edition collection that includes bronzers, brow products, eyeliner, lip glosses, and eyeshadows. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first product is the Gotta Give Brow Liquid Brow. These are $11.99 each and come in 3 shades, light, medium, and dark. And the description says the Gotta Give Brow allows you to quickly build up your natural looking color, outline, fill in, and define. The angled felt tip applicator allows for ease of application. So I haven't actually had too much experience with felt tip brow products. I normally use a pencil because they look a little bit more natural, but I will definitely try these out and see how I like them. So first up we have the shade Light. And then next is Medium. And then the last shade is Dark. Next up we have the Lip Dew. These are $9.99 each and come in 4 shades. They have a large oversized doe foot applicator, and the description says use Lip Dew for a natural glossy lip look. Wear on bare lips or over your favorite lipstick for a dewy Havana lip glow. These also have a really nice spiced vanilla scent to them. They are absolutely delicious. So first up we have Camila, and this is a really beautiful soft pink. Next is Serendipity, which is a pretty peachy nude. Desnudo is a nude brown shade. And then Lit Up is a pinky bronze metallic. Next up are these Sunlit Bronzers. These are $14.99 each and they come in 2 shades, light medium and medium deep. And the description says the Sunlit Bronzer is hydrating, lightweight, and ultra blendable for a bronzy glow. Use alone or mix in with foundation for an instant Havana sunlit glow. So first we have the shade Light Medium. So this is light medium blended out. And there's medium deep blended out as well. These both seem to have a little hint of golden shimmer to them. Next up are the single eyeshadows. These are $9.99 each and come in 4 shades. And the description says these creamy shadows are available in 4 sultry shades. Wear alone or blend together for a neutral smoky eye. So the first shade is In Love, and it's described as a shimmery light pink. The next shade is Oh Na Na, and this one is described as a shimmering bronze. The next shade is Control, and this one is described as a matte brown. And then the last shade is Hot Havana, and this is described as a shimmery green. And then last but not least is the Flash Liquid Eyeliner. This is $11.99 and comes in 1 shade, black. And the description says this black liquid eyeliner is easy and precise. Line your eyes in a flash. Reach your inner corner, create your wing, or define under the eye. The marker-like tip is ultra precise and allows for ease of application. And then here's a look at the liner. It's very black and glides across the skin easily. You can create a thin line or... Okay, so maybe not that thick of a line, but at least you can really see that this doesn't go on streaky or patchy. It's very intense and very dark. All right, guys, so that is the entire Havana line from L'Oreal and Camila Cabello. Let me know what you guys thought of this collection down below in the comments. And if you like unboxing and swatching videos like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know, and I'll definitely do more. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified of future videos. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.